Well, first stream back from vacation. I was off all last week. So today definitely wanted to be patient and let things kind of unfold since I haven't been around the price action. So was super patient, was able to grab the bottom of a trade, rode it pretty well. Could have ended up holding it all morning session long as of the recording of this video, but we're going to go and dive into that 22-point trade. So sit back and enjoy the stream recap. Good to see ya. Good to be back. If you didn't know, I was gone last week and a little of the week before. We went to Hawaii. Glad to be back. If you watched the video that dropped over sometime last week, I was talking about something that I've been working on off stream a little bit, and we're going to be starting to implement that on stream. So using Rocket Scooter and some of the concepts from there for some trend detection, irrationality, things like that. We'll talk about it as it comes up more. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that video. It's my most recent upload. CPI comes out tomorrow. Yeah, I guess I didn't go over news. There is no news today. Nothing of interest at least. CPI comes out tomorrow. It's going to be pretty important. Comes out pre-market. And then the Fed's talking all day tomorrow. But nothing today. Opening range highs at 410. We got the 50s above us. That seems like a magnet still to me. I'm trying to find an entry, but it doesn't feel like anything has been looking good for an entry yet, except for just like bouncing off of a bunch of volume at 400. Opening range 410, probably the best option so far in this little cluster, but good for 20 points. Nas technically had a new high of the day here at 38 or whatever that is. Also a delta divergence, but I just haven't seen anything worth taking yet. Here's 400, making new short-term lows. Volume now back at 400 basically. I'm taking the long here. I like the little buy up off of 400. Testing volume at 15. Looking for the push into 20s. Try and ride this up a little bit more, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and put a break even stop in as well. So basically just looking at bottom of the little range here. I bought 400, felt like the bottom of everything I'm playing right now is just ranges based on the last 5-10 minutes. We'll see if we can get a kick up or not. Gonna be pretty aggressive on the exit here. Want to see some buyers stepping up. Not quite there yet, but you know, sitting at 15 points up. So almost 20 points up on the Nas. Back to 15. Looking for a mid. There we go. I'm out. So that was 22 points on the Nas for entry at 405.75, got out at 27.75. Playing the 400 psych level push. You can see that we kind of swept below volume here. We got back above it with some buyers stepping up. So back above that 400 level, went ahead and got long, exited at the chop of the prior high and the volume there. And do we continue to rip this potentially? But to me, that is a bottom of the chop of the prior candle to the top of the chop of the prior candle, just kind of dissecting it on the 22 range. And I'll take that. You know, that's a base hit for me that I'm pretty happy with. First trade back after vacation, kind of coming in with a pretty confident trade. Feels nice.